Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show at its new time slot at 4 p.m. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With all that out of the way, well, let's get into the dish. Today, we have a Meatlovers Italian Sausage. And first thing we got to do is make our sauce. And I'm just going to make my standard pizza sauce for this. And that involves a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then you want to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Followed by 3 cloves of minced garlic. Or a tablespoon of garlic. Followed by a teaspoon of salt. And then you want to have 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. And then you want to have a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then freshly ground black pepper and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then you just want to give this a mix around till everything's mixed together. And you want to put this on high in your crock pot for 1 hour, and then after that hour, put it on low and let it sit there for as long as you want. Like I said, this is something you could do in the morning, and if you do it in the morning, then leave it on low, and just leave it there all day. All right, let's get to assembly. Okie dokie, our sausages are done and ready to go. I don't have any footage of them actually on the grill because it was raining out when I grilled them. And I didn't really trust my camera. Alright, so first thing we got to do is add some of that pizza sauce we made up to each one of these dogs. Okay, and if you want some tips on how to grill sausages, low heat, rotate them frequently, or go indirect. Especially if you're using charcoal, go indirect. And now we're going to add some bacon pieces to each one of these dogs. Just some leftover bacon I had from the gochujang carbonara. Alright, and then we want to top it off with some mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to put these in the oven under the broiler till they're all wonderful, bubbly, and gooey. All right, see everyone in a couple of minutes. Like I said, when you use the broiler, make sure you don't have to go to the bathroom. Make sure you don't have to do anything because you have to watch it like a hawk because things in a broiler will burn immediately. Okay, we are almost done here. As you can see here, got that wonderful little gooey cheese thing going on. Now I'm just going to add some banana peppers. This is optional. You could eat these right now, but I'm going to add some banana peppers to them. And then just a little bit more of that sauce. And that's it. A Meatlovers Italian Sausage. Done.